Greetings from Hökarängsbadet in Stockholm. Or more specifically, I'm now showing you the rocky part here of the beach over here. And we have currently 22 degrees Celsius in the air and in the lake Drevviken on this 9th of September 2024. So 9.9 is the day today. And I'm here for a very quick lunch swim with my gravel. It is just 6 kilometers away from my home, so it takes less than 15 minutes. And it is a public beach, obviously, that is out on Lake Drevviken. And you can chill here on this rocks over here, but also there is even a big green and sandy park as well that you can enjoy on the beach. So let's then get going and get to the jetty and take a swim over there, as it is beach day number 143 of my Sweden beach adventures. And this is how it looks like, the sandy part of the beach. At least it's quite small, and there are also a lot of ducks here today on this 9th of September that you can see. They are just minding their own business, and we have a jetty that was actually attacked by the ducks, so we're gonna go in there for a swim actually. And there's also the rocky area on that side as well. Okay, the beginning of the jetty is quite clean, to be fair. It's only after that it has been possessed by some ducks leftovers, I would say. And here we have the whole beach also, and view of it. Hökarängsbadet in Stockholm. That's close to Hökarängen, obviously, but also close to Farsta and Sköndal on the other side, with other swimming facilities as well. So as I mentioned, 22 degrees both in the air and in the lake, but it is blowing a bit more, so it feels like it is a bit colder than that. And I'm a bit actually sick. I have the common cold, but I think I'm gonna continue with my beach adventures anyway, despite being a little sick. There is basically nobody here that is swimming right now, so it's gonna be me then that is heading here. So I have been obviously previously to this beach, and it's quite close beach and perfect for if I want to have quick lunch swim and to check off one more day. And today, as I mentioned, 143 is the beach day today on my Sweden beach adventures. So let's then not wait any longer and dive in here in Lake Drevviken. That is quite huge, to be fair, and I have already shown you several times before on my channel on different beach locations, because in the winter it is a track for ice skating, natural one, because the lake is frozen obviously, and the trek around the lake is 20 kilometers. So right, let's then get going and enjoy the swim here at Hökarängsbadet. Nice, very nice. So there's the jetty and the rocky area, as well as the sandy part of the beach. It is quite popular in the summer months, but now when the school started and everyone is back from vacation, it just continues people like me that come here for a quick swim. And yes, officially today is gonna be the last day over 20 degrees probably, as some wind and rain are on their way to Stockholm. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna develop. Hopefully the heat will come back later in September and October. At least I hope so. but otherwise is quite amazing to be able to have so close distance to many different beaches and many different lakes. So I feel really, really blessed to be living in Stockholm. So we continue the tempo as usual, and let's just wrap around one more view of Hökarängsbadet and my swim here today on this 9th of September 2024. Right, thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to get more beach content from my beach adventures every day on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.